I joined you family. I decided to take a drive out along the eastern parishes of St. Thomas and Portland, and this is me stopping by, just enjoying this beautiful view of St. Thomas. Hope you enjoyed also. This beautiful view can be seen right along the roadside, heading to White Horses at St. Thomas on your way to Roselle. Hey family, now we are in the beautiful area of Roselle, looking at this natural beauty. Oh God, isn't St. Thomas a beautiful parish? Such a beach area. Nice little beach area. Roselle, New Road. Under blue. Is Roselle Waterfalls, located on the main road heading to Morant Bay. What a beauty it is. In Manchester. Driving around Jamaica. St. Thomas to Portland, back to Kingston. St. Mary, Kingston. We're in Manchester, Portland, right by the police station. Very calm water. One person fishing right there. Hi guys, Portland. Isn't this a beautiful parish? This clip is around the corner from the Manchester police station, and as you can see, the road are newly done, beautiful and smooth. Guys, I'm asking you, whenever you visit Jamaica, please don't speed on these roads. This road is made for speeding, but don't do it. Okay, thank you very much.
Got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body. Wanna feel your hands all over me. Gotta make them jealous, everybody. 'Cause you know we got it, chemistry. Oh yeah, all around me. Oh yeah, chemistry. Oh yeah, you and me. Yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. You make all my problems feel miles away. Nothing in this world made sense up till today. I can see the colors now, no black and white. If you keep this up, then I'll stay the night. 'Cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you.
Hey guys, to your right, you will find the Darlingford Farm. If you watch the video I posted yesterday, you will see it from the sky and see how beautiful that is. The landscape and all. I must say, to your left, even though I'm driving, is you can find the Drunkrow Mountain, also the Blue Mountain ranges. I'm sorry I'm not able to show you, but maybe you can see it from that aerial view, from that drone shot.
You and me, yeah, you know we got it, chemistry. It's coming.
Whoa, what is happening here? From a beautiful smooth road to a front end killer. One thing I must say, look at those plants. They're so green and fresh. Whoa, look at those banana plants over there and to your right. Looking real good. Yeah, I must say, I'll give them a pass for this one for now. Hey guys, look at that beautiful ocean to your right. You know me, I have to stop, take a look. I love nature so much, I have to just stop and enjoy every bit of Jamaica's beauty. Especially this Portland ocean. The water is so beautiful, trust me.
Whoa.
Look at it. Guys, just look at the beauty right there. Jamaica, only Jamaica. My God, natural beauty. Hey guys, we are now entering the Long Bay community of Portland. Let's see what is up ahead. Hey guys, we seem to have run out of that nice, beautiful, smooth road that we have been traveling on. Now we are on this front end killer journey to Boston Bay, where we shall make a short stop and have some nice jerk chicken, jerk pork, jerk sausage, and chill until the journey will begin, heading back to St. Mary, St. Andrew, back into Kingston. Okay, we're entering the Boston community. We're still seeing a terrible roads condition. your right, coming up soon, you'll find the Boston Beach. Coming up onto your right, you'll find the Boston Jerk Center, where you can taste some of Jamaica's best jerk products, as in jerk chicken, jerk pork, jerk sausage, and have yourself a Jamaican red stripe beer.